Welcome to the MF Cook's Kitchen. Today we're gonna do one of my all-time favorites, and for some friends of mine that have been a little under the weather, we're gonna do chicken noodle soup. So super simple, straightforward. It is celery, carrots, onions. I take rotisserie chicken, debone it, chop it up, as I've done here already. A mix of spices. I've got some garlic powder, onion powder, some thyme, crushed red pepper, and then a bay leaf or two. And then just kind of the kicker is gonna be just a little bouillon cube. And then we finish it with a little no yolks, because there's no yolks around here, right? So stay tuned, chicken noodle soup. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start getting our cast iron ready to go. We're gonna start with our sauteing our celery, carrots, and onions. All right, we're gonna put our seasoning in. And then we're gonna go in with our chicken. That's gonna be awesome. We're going in with our bay leaves. Our bouillon cube. I kind of stay real light on the salt because these things have quite a bit of sodium in them. Now we're going with our stock. All right, so we've got everything going. Last step, well, that's a total last step. Add in noodles. I don't like a ton of noodles, but I do like a lot of chicken. So, and then this is the final piece to it. Pretty juicy. We're gonna just do half for now. We'll see how that tastes. Bring it back to a simmer. Let it reduce. Cook the pasta. Season with salt and pepper, and we're done. World famous chicken noodle soup coming up. All right, so we're done. Pull out this bay leaf. Off the fire. All right, so I'm gonna get a facial from all the steam coming off of the soup. Outstanding. My brother actually called and said he would like for me to bring him some. He's not feeling too hot, so it all worked out well. So anyways, super simple. A rotisserie chicken, celery, carrots, onions, bay leaf, garlic powder, onion powder, crushed red pepper, salt and pepper to taste, and then that's it. Chicken stock, and let it go. I can promise you one thing, it's perfect. Oh, very hot. The lemon is perfect. So we've got our Tupperware. If you don't have it, listen out. And all that. That is going to be. All right, taking that over to Mike.